south to D123, do another turn holding. We'll get you guys on board, and then we'll talk to Boston Center once you guys are saddled with us. That's correct. Plays about 9 minutes early. Be a little bit easier for us to manage on the back end here. In your airspace to the south here for another about 10 Mike, and then we'll be clear of your airspace.
Repeater, Tiger 1-1, radio check. 2 minutes out or so from the airspace. Stay when ready for game plan and coordinate reback. 2-2 and 2-3 because of that weather in the range, dropping a little higher than planned. It'll be 1 dry pass on target 414, followed by 2 hot passes on target 414. And bombers 4 minutes in trail. Coordinate to have them be 240 and above, so we can be 22 block 23. Your Tiger 1-1 copies 3013 approved 5201 and 5202 Alpha Bravo. And just to confirm, you said the F-35s are looking to be 200 and below in Viper West. Can do center. One from my system, target 414 north 4409.554 west 07530. 588, elevation 724. Tiger 1-1, copy. And is there the JTACs with you with the brutal call sign, or are they just working the later go? Through the weather for you guys. Tiger 1-1, try pass here for space. Just advise on the left turn in case we need to get across and that's the weather here. Barely readable, say again. Say again for Tiger 1-1. Again, weak, unreadable. With some weather stuff, we got you loud and clear. We're ready for 9 line. Brutal 4-3, Tiger 1-1 flight is ready for 9 line. 1-1, looking for the coordinates in degrees, minutes, decimal seconds. You got them. Section degrees, minutes, decimal minutes. You got it.
Tiger 1-2 off track.
07530.588. Elevation 724.
Brutal Tiger 1-2, system reback for target 414, 4409.554, west 0. Tiger 1-2 off, 20 seconds. 14 north, 4409. Get over to Boston Center. 1031, go to Boston. 2 and heading 245, west
2307. We will either work with you and or Bark Eater to start working our way out of the airspace once we get rejoined. Thanks for the work, Burrow. Thanks for the help. 2-1. On getting rejoined. After that, we would like to be 22 block 23, which is going to be the Milton 025 at 025. How copy? If that's what you actually were sending to us or not. That happens and confirm the frequency is 323.0. Thank you. 0 prime. We'll wait to check on until you guys are back on board. Before we start talking, Bill.
2 copy, sir. I got you on the airport. About 2 minutes or so.
We're going to be holding here for some time and then get you guys on board.